What's up guys, Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm actually going to show you my setup for 2019. I consider it a budget and semi-minimalist, I guess, so let's get into it. Alright, so this is where I edit. It's in my room. I just have it right by my window. I'm still in high school, so I still live with my parents obviously, but I'll just start with the desk area and then move over here to whatever thing. So the desk, I actually have no idea what it is. I've had this since I was probably 8, and I just see it's just so beat up and everything. I just keep it because, you know, it works. It's a desk, it does what it's supposed to do. So let's start with my computer. This computer is a 2013 iMac, 1TB storage, 16GB RAM, does everything I need to do. It runs Final Cut Pro and Adobe Lightroom completely fine. So far, have had no problems with it. I'm actually uploading a video right now. Kind of excited for this one. I put a lot of time into editing this actually. So yeah, that's the computer. Really great computer for how long I've had it. Couldn't really ask for more. Then here is a hard drive. I keep all my Final Cut projects on this 328GB Vipra. I got this for my birthday one year, and it actually just does what it's supposed to do. Also just stores things and runs it off into Final Cut. Great. Off to the right, I have 3 things actually. I have a charger for my mouse. I have headphones for my phone and computer when I want it. I just have a knife here in case I need to cut open boxes or whatever. I use that for unboxings like you've all seen. Right here I got a lens cleaner, but it's got the bristles at the top, and on the bottom it's got the felt thing. So I always have that handy. Some post-it notes. Right here I got some rubber bands and just a bracelet. This, it's really broke, but I actually just keep my FAA registry thing on here. Some electrical tape, some microfiber cloths, and then just a tool kit thing, whatever I need, like Allen wrenches. So on this side, might be more interesting. Let's just start from the bottom right back here. I have the InnoGear 229 preamp. Really cheap preamp. I don't know what it's like compared to others, but I don't really like it. I mean, it's alright, but you can't really adjust any volumes or anything. So just really cheap. Then for my studio microphone, I have the newer NW700. It's really great for for the price. I bought it for like 30 bucks. Came with the arm and everything else with it. Love it. I've filmed all the studio videos with it. Right here, I just got my Sony battery charger, my phone, and then right here is the main studio camera that I film everything from the studio on. It is the original Canon EOS M, and I just keep that plugged straight into my preamp, this mic, and on top I have the newer CN160. I use that for when I don't have natural light coming in the window. And on my camera, I just have the kit 18 to 55 lens. And the tripod it's on is the Amazon Basics travel tripod. I just keep it backwards so I can have this handle right here, loosen it, tilt it whatever I need it to. Like I said, this is super budget. I know it might not be like the best looking or best performing, but for what I use, it works great. I consider myself a budget filmmaker because I don't have much money to spend on this stuff. So yeah, let's move down. So I just have my phone plugged in. This part's actually kind of, I don't know if this is probably really dangerous, but I just have all different chargers on here connected to this. Right here, I have my Sony charger connected to an Apple battery brick. Right here, I have a brick connected to my phone. Here I charge anything micro USB. On this one, this one is my Spark drone charger. This is the microphone preamp. This right here is the M charger, and this right here is for the big flashlight panels I have. So yeah, that's all on a surge protector taped, taped into my bed frame. That goes into there. And then just down here in a different outlet, I have another surge protector that goes to my iMac and my MacBook, and my light. Just have this basic lamp light, desk light. So now we're gonna twist around and go to my camera stuff. I'll go from right to left and then go to the bottom row and do that. So the top row is a lot more organized. On the right, I have my DJI Spark with the extra battery and controller on top of its case. Going down, I have the newer, I think it's like 176 light LED panel. Love this one. This is the newer version of that. That one's really beat up. This one's about a year old, but just still like it. I got some lens covers and sensor covers. Batteries for my Sony. The Rokinon 14mm 2.8 lens for my Sony. I have my tripod right back here. I'm not actually sure. Just a really cheap tripod. It's really great. It's all metal, really strong. It's called the Ket Direct K550D. It's really tall. I like it for what I use it for. I don't really bring that anywhere though. I have a mini tripod for my Zhiyun Crane V2. This is the cheaper version of the Zhiyun Crane 2. Love this for what it does, 12 hours of battery life and such, just really great. Right here I have the Movo VXR10. Great little microphone for what I need it for and just a cord for it. Then my camera backpack, which a lot of this stuff actually fits right into it, and yeah, it's empty right now except I believe I have the Aperture M9 in there and my GoPro back here. So yeah, that's pretty much the top level. Then the bottom level, I have 2 Canon batteries that I forgot to sell when I had my Canon, the carrying case for my crane, a camera tray, use this a lot when I go exploring, bunch of GoPro gear, and then right here is just some gels for my studio light, which I have softeners I should say. GoPro head strap just all tightened up, and also forgot to sell this when I sold my T3i. Here is some waterproof covers for my backpack, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Oh, just over here I just got a hat, gloves, and another hip case for a camera. Then up here just got a bunch of different kinds of hats. One thing I forgot to mention is this is the setup I filmed that whole process with my Comica CVM30 and Sony A7 with the 28-70 kit lens. So yeah, that's something I didn't show, but I usually just have that stored on my desk right down here if I ever think of something that I want to film fast. So yeah, that's my setup for editing and getting ready, making studio videos like this. That's my gear. A lot of it might seem outdated, a lot of it's old, but you can see the videos we make with this stuff. They're not that terrible. I mean, they might not live up to most of like Matty Hapoya, Pinem, or Canon quality, but we also don't have multi-$1,000s to spend on gear. This is all I could get with my money I worked for. Yeah, like all this stuff I bought with my money. My parents don't buy that stuff for me. Some of it might have been like gifts, but all like the major things, the computer, cameras, drones, all of that I bought with my own money. That's pretty much it. If you liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend. That would be really, really helpful. And yeah, see you tomorrow.